Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome to another Daddy and Kids Read. And have I got good news for you tonight? What is that, you ask? Oh my word, we're going to read one of my favorite books that kicks off one of my favorite series. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Mercy Watson. And this book is the first in the series, and it's titled A Piglet Named Mercy. I've got some helpers tonight, so girls, do the honors. There's old Mercy, a piglet named Mercy. Okay, you guys ready? Go for it.
Mr. Watson and Mrs. Watson lived in a house on Deckaroo Drive. Deckaroo Drive was an ordinary street in an ordinary town.
Yeah, looks pretty ordinary.
And Mr. and Mrs. Watson were ordinary people who did ordinary things in an ordinary way. How many ordinaries are there?
Like wash their car and vacuum their floor and trim their shrubs. Okay, next. One day, Mrs. Watson said to Mr. Watson, I wonder if we aren't just the teeniest bit too predictable. Predictable? Us? Said Mr. Watson. Surely not. It's just that sometimes I wish something different would happen, said Mrs. Watson. Things are just fine as they are, said Mr. Watson.
But then something different did happen.
What happened? Oh my word, what is happening?
Someone very small and not all ordinary found her way to the Watson's house on Deckaroo Drive. Mr. Watson! Mr. Watson made the discovery when he opened the door for the morning paper. Mrs. Watson, he called, come see. Oh, the little dear, said Mrs. Watson. Oink, said the piglet. Think she's hungry, said Mr. Watson. Is that a pig, said
Eugenia
Lincoln. Eugenia Lincoln lived next door, and she did not approve of surprises or pigs. It is, said Mrs. Watson. Can you believe all her luck? Don't be ridiculous, said Eugenia Lincoln. A pig's not lucky at all.
Do you think perhaps the piglet would like a bottle of warm milk? Said Baby Lincoln. Baby was Eugenia's younger sister, and she was fond of surprises and piglets. Mr. Watson scratched his head. A bottle of milk. I don't know. This is all so unpredictable. Leave it to me, said Baby Lincoln. Oink, said the piglet again.
Mrs. Watson picked up the piglet and took her inside. She wrapped her in a blanket. Have you ever seen anyone so darling? She said. Never, said Mr. Watson.
Look at the little baby.
Here's the warm milk, said Baby Lincoln. I have it right here. Eugenia said, this is absurd. The piglet did not think it was absurd at all. She drank the entire bottle.
Uh-oh.
Molly in town.
Molly's kind of wanting to read about old Mercy. All right, continue. And then she burped and oinked and went looking for more. Okay, I need somebody's help. Can you turn those pages for us, please?
Oh my goodness, said Mr. Watson. Watch out, said Eugenia. She seems to like toast very much, said Baby. Oh, the darling, darling thing, said Mrs. Watson.
Mr. Watson, said Mrs. Watson, perhaps you would like to hold her for a bit. Certainly, said Mr. Watson. He took the piglet in his arms. He rocked her. He hummed. How extraordinary, said Mr. Watson. She is a porcine wonder? Porcine, is that how you say it? Okay, flip the page. This piglet is a wish come true, said Mrs. Watson. What a mercy she is, said Baby. There you go, said Mr. Watson. We will call her Mercy. She is not a Mercy, said Eugenia. She is a pig. Oink, oink, said the piglet. You cannot name a pig Mercy, shouted Eugenia. But guess what they did? They named her Mercy. She was entirely unpredictable. She was not at all ordinary, and she was very, very loved. So we're going to have to read maybe on the next couple a little bit more from our fun little friend, a piglet named who?
Mercy.
All right. Thanks for joining tonight. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's see if this little puppy wants to make an appearance. Puppy? Puppy? Puppy, look at me. Molly. Molly likes Mercy. All right. Good night, boys and girls. Sweet dreams.